In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted emails in Outlook, also known as Hotmail. Whether you've accidentally deleted an important email or simply want to recover your old messages, this step-by-step guide will help you do it in just a few minutes. First, head over to Outlook's website. Go to the Microsoft 365 Outlook login page or just search for Outlook login. Once the page loads, click Sign In. If you're not already signed in, enter your Hotmail or Outlook email address and password, then hit Sign In. After logging in, you'll see your Outlook homepage with folders on the left-hand side. Look for the Deleted Items folder, click on it to open. Here, you'll see recently deleted emails that Outlook stores temporarily just in case you need to recover them. If you don't see the email you're looking for in deleted items, don't panic. Scroll to the bottom and look for the link that says Recover Items Deleted from this folder. Click it and Outlook will open another recovery area where emails from the past weeks or even months can still be restored. Now, browse the list and select the emails you want to recover. Simply check the boxes next to them. Once you've made your selections, click the Restore button. The emails will be sent back to your inbox or their original folders. And that's it. You've successfully restored deleted emails in Outlook Hotmail. Remember, recovery is time sensitive, so act quickly before older emails become unrecoverable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.